Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to use the new course settings feature inside the course view. Now you know this is the course view. And if you see, we have a new feature called course settings. We released it based on requests from users who wanted to edit the course name, description, and the slug. Click on Edit Course Settings. Here, you can edit the course name, make changes to the description, and also edit the course slug. The course slug is nothing but this part in the URL. So here, after the slashes, you'll see something like Digital Sat. That's the slug. If you want to change it, you can. So if you've shared this course link anywhere, like your website or WhatsApp group, as a lead magnet or diagnostic test, make sure to update the link there as well. If not, people might get an error when trying to access the course from old links. If you're on an enterprise plan, you can set up a URL redirection using your DNS provider. So even if you change the course URL, people using the old link will still land on the correct page. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now, if you're not going to use this course anymore, you can archive it. Just click on Archive. You'll get a pop-up asking if you're sure. Once you confirm, the course gets archived and will no longer be available on the user portal. If you ever change your mind and want to bring the course back, just go to the Course tab, click on Archived, and click the course. Then go to the Course Settings and click Unarchive. Your course will now be under Ready to Deploy section. Just click on the course and hit Deploy. That's all. Your course is live on the user portal. That's it. Everything is back to normal. And that's how you update the course details under Course Settings.